Connected products at Cognizant, is uniquely positioned. We solve problems, for three levels of customers. The level one customers, come to us, in getting their products out in the market. So we solve problems, in terms of product engineering. We operationalize this, on a PLM suite. So, that's our first bucket. The second bucket of our customers, come to us, with implementation of a platform. How do we set up platforms? Right from a sensor stage, to device management, to cloud, to analytics, to application support, and so on and so forth. So building that applications, building that, platforms is something that we do. The third is taking these platforms and applying them into an industry-specific environment. When you look at an example of a connected factory, we operationalize them. We bring smart operations into picture. We try to take it right from the stage of an equipment through the manufacturing supply and beyond. And how do we bring all of them together in the IoT scale?